Hi, I'm just me.
And I'm Ralgash.
And we have Amazon packages. Woo!
Dun 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 dun.
So I went on Amazon and I bought a whole bunch of stuff and I'm not entirely sure what these are. Usually they come with like a label that tells you what's inside them. These didn't come with that. It was just my name and address and now I don't know what it is. So this is obviously some type of fabric. And I did buy several clothing items. So it'll be fun to see which one this is. And I'm figuring this is either the movie... Wait. I think this is Frankenstein. I think this is a book. Let's just open it, why don't we? Carefully, because I didn't take a thumbnail. It's more than one thing. I was not expecting that.
Oh.
We'll start with, it is in fact Frankenstein. So my boyfriend and I watched this like synopsis or something, like a review of this book. And as someone who's only familiar with the monster through the movies, which apparently are completely unrelated, I decided I wanted to read it for myself. I had a similar experience with Dracula. Read Dracula. It's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
It's a little slow at the beginning, but it's awesome. So
I would recommend reading Dracula as well.
And then this other thing that I didn't think would be in here. It's so exciting. I'm sure everyone in the audience is going to be so excited. It's beauty blenders.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I had one and it's gross and scruzzy and falling apart, so I had to replace it. And this was on sale. You know how it goes. Ooh, riveting.
Yes, really exciting.
Comment below if you want us to review the book Frankenstein. Or beauty blenders. I don't know. That's the big package. It's obviously clothing. But what
Is it a dress?
kind of clothing? No, I didn't order a dress. I ordered 2 pairs of pants and 2 sweaters. One of which is for you, actually.
Okay.
So... Wait, how do you open? But I didn't take a thumbnail yet. Oh no! Okay. Trying to open this, doing as little damage as possible to the packaging. That's happy to see me. Okay, and it's... Oh, it's the both of them. It's 2 of them. Okay. They're pants. Aren't they pretty? Look at the flowers. Don't I look like the kind of person who wears flowers all the time? And, I got them in yellow too. I don't know why. Okay, well I know exactly why. It's because this is going to match the sweater that I'm getting better than the yellow one, but I really wanted the yellow one. So...
Makes me think of a certain tune.
Huh?
Makes me think of a certain tune. The Yellow Rose of Texas. Oh, the Yellow Rose of Texas. I can't sing the whole thing or we'll get hit with copyright.
Well, okay, sing it now so that I'll see if and then I'll just edit it out.
Oh,
Oh yeah! Was that what that's called?
Yes!
One of those songs
I just
you
can't
know,
remember
no
all
one
the
ever
lyrics. I can't remember all the lyrics, but you know.
Interesting.
Good tune.
I guess I'll take these out of the package and show them off.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I'm
now.
going to try them on, but I'm definitely going to take them out.
And you got these from Amazon.
Yeah, everything's from Amazon because Amazon. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. Feel these.
Made in China.
They don't smell like they were made in China. They're really
You know what?
thin.
I don't know why people think that China has bad product. I've been pleased with a lot of stuff I've gotten from China. That is nice. Look at those. Look at the pattern.
Hold it.
Yeah. Oh, the legs.
They're wide leg.
Look at that.
Specifically wide leg because everything's got these skinny little legs now.
This looks really comfortable. Really, really comfortable. Yeah.
And it's dragging on the floor like they said it would. It'll probably shrink when I wash them, but hey.
Yeah. Those are nice.
These are nice.
Yeah.
It's really like... I don't know how to describe this material. Soft.
Silky.
And stretchy. Silky?
Yeah.
It's kind of silky. Obviously not silk, but silky.
Yeah.
And it's kind of thin. I don't know if you can see through it. Or not.
Just wear underwear.
Well, doy, but do I need to wear like boxers or?
I would wear boxers.
Yeah. These ones should be exactly the same, but in a slightly different color.
Like a rose or salmon pink kinda.
And a gray waistband. Same kind of silky, like satin-y-ish material.
Oh, those are very nice.
Look at how wide these legs are.
You're gonna enjoy those. And it's got a drawstring waist, so like...
Yes, so I can get fat and it's still okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to know that from now on, these will be what I'm wearing every time we film.
That way when we're doing the Tokyo treat, she's gonna undo the
I'm currently wearing my Pretty Fazbear pants. In case anyone was ever wondering what YouTubers look like from the waist down, we look like lazy people. Jeans, fushar. Do you even YouTube, bro? Light colored jeans. You got like mom jeans on. What are you, a vlogger? Oh. I'm glad we think we're funny. I don't think anyone else does.
Nope. Well, that was fun.
That was fun. I'm sorry your sweater didn't come.
I was hoping the movie came.
Yeah, but not yet. I ordered, or wait, should we tell them or should it be a
No,
surprise?
let's let it be a surprise.
Okay.
There's a movie there.
We're going to do a movie review and it's going to kick us right off the algorithm.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're sure of it. We don't care.
I do what I want.
Yeah.
There's more to me than just candy and pants. Candy pants. And I'm excited. Okay. Alright, this might take me more than a day. I was gonna say, this looks pretty thin. I should be through it in a little.
And then she sees the size of the writing.
Got ahead of myself. This might actually keep me occupied for a little while.
Yeah.
I hope my eyeballs don't fall out. This is awfully tiny.
Do you have a page reader?
No. Anyway. Ta-da!
Yay!
Pens and blenders
And a books! Oh my.
So now we're still waiting on 2 sweaters and a movie. So I guess that happened. This was our Amazon haul.
Like this if you liked it.
comment,
Subscribe for new videos twice a week.
and join us next time when something.
Something will be happening. 'Cause we'll be
Probably.
bored. Yep.
Okay, bye.
Have you noticed that the pattern for the whales is predominantly blue?
No, but okay.